Hey guys, if you're getting lost connection to host or server on Hell Let Loose Vietnam, here's how to fix it in under 2 minutes. Start by going to your Steam library and right click Hell Let Loose Vietnam, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let it finish, then try the game again. If you're still having issues, press the Windows key and type Firewall and select Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, click Change Settings in the top right, and find Hell Let Loose Vietnam and make sure both of these boxes are checked for both private and public. After that, press the Windows key again and go to Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and select Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, scroll down to Add or Remove Exclusions, click on that and hit Yes on the prompt. Select Add an Exclusion, File, and if you open up Steam, right-click Hell Let Loose Vietnam, Manage, Browse Local Files, click in the blank space right next to Hell Let Loose Vietnam, Control-C to copy, and then hit the blank space next to the desktop, and paste. Enter, and double-click Hell Let Loose Vietnam, and do it again, add an exclusion, File, and add launch_HLL, add another one, start protected game, another one, open the EasyAntiCheat folder, and also add EasyAntiCheat EOS setup. If that still didn't work, right-click the Start menu, select Settings. On the left, select Network and Internet. Advanced Network Settings. Select your Internet. Next to More Adapter Options, select Edit. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. Hit OK, and then go back to your More Adapter Options, check it again, and turn it back on. After you do that, start the game, join a lobby, and the server connection issues should be fixed.